Hello friends, welcome new video, and I have one character with Duik Angela rigging, and let's see, we have full body rig, and I want to extract all controls to new composition. So first go to new composition here, and I have one background layer. Then go to project, select this character and move the inside here, character composition. So I want to control this character here. So select this character, go to window and Duik Angela. So after opening Duik Angela, click this icon and we can see here extract. Select this composition, click extract and waiting for working. Okay, very nice. Let's close Duik Angela, and right now I can control my character with here like this. Okay, very nice. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.